gaganap na ng Marimar. Yun naman yung top. Sino yung who will land the role, yun yung para sa kanya talaga.
Hindi siya nalalayo kasi siya. Marami na.
Kita na kayo.
Oh yes, yes, yes. Nakita na kami she's
Talagang last.
Just to listen.
Oh my gosh, di ko maalala. I think medyo matagal na po premiere pa ata ng my last MMM. Pero, yeah.
Ano na lang unang
Itatanong, paano po maging ganyang maganda? Paano hindi nabubulok? Yan yung gusto ko itanong. Kasi yun ang ano ko life motto, bawal mabulok. Eh siya talaga. Grabe. Angel talaga. Walang matulad. Kaya,
Ganda rin naman siya sa'yo.
ay, salamat po. Sobrang salamat. Napaka-buti po sa akin ni Ms. Marian. Nung nauso po yung mga anig-anig, sobrang ko na-touch kasi pinadalhan din niya ako. Kaya, grabe. Sino ba naman ako?
Nag-viral yung sagot mo na yun, ayaw mo mabulok.
Ayaw.
Ano yung tips mo sa ibang tao para mabulok?
Well, yung lahat talaga ginagawa ko. Lahat na pwede kong gawin para parang sabi ko nga, I'm grateful. I was born with this face, but to maintain it is another conversation. So, yun, I work out almost every day. As in, basta walang work, nasa gym ako, halos tumira na ako sa gym. Try to eat as clean as I can, pero may cheat din paminsan-minsan. Enjoy life naman. Lahat ng supplements, vitamins, minerals, lahat ng pampaganda na healthy or natural, inumin ko. At si Dr. Abelo, maraming salamat po, Dr. Abelo. Lahat ng pwede kong machine na ipagawa, ipapagawa.
When you age, are you open to surgery?
When I age, why not? Why not? If I feel like, tama, kasi I mean, for me lang, ngayon pa nga lang, as young as I am right now, I try to prevent. I'm not scared of aging naman or anything. I know that will happen to me inevitably no matter what I do. But syempre, if I can prolong it, you know, if I can keep it at bay, I will do that.
Parang kayo ni Kayo parang fitness niyo rin yun.
Actually, alam niyo po, it's been something I've been trying to do since 2020. So, I've been a work in progress. It's something I've been working on.
Makalayo kayo na ba ni Kayo, or do you have a time to work out?
Actually, not we've tried, pero ang layo kasi talaga ni sa akin. And yung oras namin na mag-workout, ako sa morning, siya sa gabi. And ayoko sa gabi nag-gym kasi. So, hindi kami nag-sabay. And iba yung style, iba yung workout na nag-work for him, and iba yung sa akin. So, focus na lang ako sa yung gym din naman like me time for me.
Pero how do you motivate each other?
Honestly, kasi we both understand the value of being consistent. How consistency is truly key. You don't need motivation, you need consistency. That's the kind of discipline you need to instill sa mind mo. So ako, I'm very thankful naman na I'm able to have that kind of thinking. So, andun lang kami like, whenever we go to the gym, lagi lang na, hey, good job, you did it. Even if you didn't want to, you did it, good job. Parang mga ganun lang.
Kasi bagay pa kayo mag-system. Saan bagay pa kayo mag-system?
Sa pagkain din. Mahilig din kami kumain, sobra. Kaya din siguro extra push din mag-workout kasi I really love to eat. We love such big foodies, super foodies talaga. Kasi that's how we enjoy life.
Wala ka nang magawa.
Ay, salamat po. Yun nga, madaming ginagawa para makontra. Madaming pagkain din. Pero yun,
Thank you po.
and it's something I choose for myself.
Thank you.
Thank you. I love you. Thank you.